gonna make a sun to melt all the snow. My sun is shining on your snowman.
Oh no! I'm melting!
It's getting hotter and hotter. Uh-oh!
Caillou was upset. Now he had to start all over again. This time, Caillou was very careful with his sun.
Let's bake it in the oven so it can dry out. Then you can paint it.
It broke.
It's okay. We'll wait for it to cool, and then we can glue the pieces back together.
After the sun had cooled, Miss Martin glued it to a piece of wood.
There you go. Better than ever. And now you can hang it on the wall.
Thank you. Now I'm going to paint it yellow. See? He's smiling.
After snack time, Caillou decided to check on his present for Mommy.
Can I see Caillou? Uh-oh.
Caillou was annoyed at Clementine. His present was ruined again.
Sorry, Caillou.
It looks like your son's wearing sunglasses.
Caillou decided he liked his son even better this way.
Good work, Caillou. Sometimes when things go wrong, they still work.
Guess who?